miteinander. Ich habe eine Frage. Wer von euch geht alles ans Permakultur Festival? Danke vielmals, viel Spass!
Our street's a radish neighborhood. We planted every seed we could, so it would let us turn up all the beats. We sent our roots deep underground, and new ideas bloomed all around. We're all digging, living on our street. 'Cause there's goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit growing on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street. We started off by baking bread and turned out baking bricks instead. The chickens reckon we're out of control. Fixed up old and rusty bikes, now we cycle where we like. Getting by for free is how we roll. With the goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit grown on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street. Our garden's now immense, 'cause we pulled down the fence. Well, that might sound intense, but we're friends with common sense. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, there's goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit grown on the trees. We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street. Yeah, well, there's goats and chickens, bees and birds, and fruit grown on the trees.
Ich freue mich jetzt im Namen vom Naturhof euch willkommen zu heißen.
We're not perfect, but we do have everything we need. Milk and honey, vegetables, so many tasty treats. It's all right here, growing on our street. Well, there's so much goodness growing on our street. Oh, so come on and let's all grow it on our street. If you think bigger is better, then you might wanna think again. 'Cause if less is more, you can't ignore that small gets 10 out of 10. Did you know the world around us is much more than one big thing? It's a lot of little things joined up together that make me wanna sing.
Es gibt 3 Arten von Mineralien im Boden. Es gibt 3 Arten von Mineralien im Boden.
Appreciate the small things, appreciate the small. Appreciate the small things, appreciate them all. atom? Is it a molecule or an atom or maybe a quark? What the? Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small. Yeah, just appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate them all. You don't need $1 billion and a Lamborghini or 20 million followers in bikinis. Appreciate the small things, the small things. Appreciate the small. Whenever I come to see you, I always find you outside with your hands in the ground, getting down with anything that grows. And all I wanna do is join you in that morning sunshine. I wanna know how you grow all your vegetables. 'Cause we're gonna grow a garden. We're gonna grow a garden, yeah. We're gonna grow a garden, darling. Well, I saved you some seeds from my pumpkins and peas, and I can foresee we'll get them growing like weeds. We could stay up real late and plant them by the moon. And we're gonna make everyone jealous when they see what we've got growing on the trellis. It'll be raining down in our very own food monsoon. 'Cause we're gonna grow a garden. We're gonna grow a garden, yeah. We're gonna grow a garden, darling, yeah. Said we're gonna grow a garden. We're gonna grow a garden, yeah. We're gonna grow a garden, darling, yeah. When we've made our beds, we gon' raise that veg. Let the chickens out when they've laid their eggs. Growing asparagus, spaghetti, squash, strawberries. Oh, we can eat so much from our garden. We're gonna grow a garden, yeah. We're gonna grow a garden, darling, yeah. Said we're gonna grow a garden. Gonna grow that garden, yeah. We're gonna grow a garden, darling, yeah.
Also, wenn ich eins sage, ganz los. Sind wir ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ja, jetzt geht es in die entscheidende Phase. Oder draussen dämmert es langsam. Und wir haben heute, glaube ich, einen sehr reichhaltigen Tag dürfen geniessen, mit viel Inputs. Und ich habe das Gefühl, jetzt geht es langsam vom Kopf, langsam so ein bisschen Bein. Das ist so mein Lieblingspart mit musikalischer Begleitung. Genau, nachher kommt Happy Castle Express, super coole Band, Folk, Bluegrass Musik.
It's a long way to heaven. Sometimes this crazy world gets carried away, but deep down I feel it's gonna all be okay. Can't say where we're going or what's up ahead, but we can wonder about the future or just make it up instead. Here's something made up, it's powerful stuff, and it needs a fun word, so let's call it fluff. It's not mine to keep, but it needs to get out, and if you got it, go get it and share it around. Give fluff, 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 fluff to everyone. Have fluff, 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 and make everything out of fluff, 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 'cause there's always enough fluff, 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 fluff. That's the stuff. Sometimes I see that fluff on faces in the crowd. Young or old, it doesn't matter, it's just there hanging out. I see it in mom, I see it in dad, I see it in my friends, and I am so glad we have fluff, 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 fluff for everyone. Give fluff, 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 and make everything out of fluff, 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 'cause there's always enough fluff, 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 fluff. That's the stuff. Lately, I've come to realize that fluff is all around us, inside and outside, and I'm glad that it found us. The more that we share it, the more that there'll be, and it's time to set all this fluff free. So fluff into the sky, fluff into the land. I fluff all over you, and I hope you understand. The thing about fluff is it never ever ends. So fluff with me now and fluff on all your friends. Love, 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 love to everyone. Have love, 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 and make everything out of love, 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 'cause there's always enough love, 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 love. That's the stuff.
So, das ist jetzt Pemakultur Festival in Kiental und nach so einem wunderschönen Wochenende habe ich im Sinne von Lenin Lust auf eine Permakultur Revolution. Lassen wir es krachen, lassen wir starten. Ich hoffe, ihr habt das Video genossen. Naturhof Kiental, liken, abonnieren, geht den Naturhof besuchen und unterstützen. Es lohnt sich. Die Liebe für Details ist gross. Und ja, hey, tschüss zusammen, danke fürs Schauen.